TV and Rhythm Anand Bhardwaj. Viewers, our top focus continues to be on our demand for CBI for SSR. We're going to get you exclusive inputs. We're also going to tell you our SIT investigation in the case continues very stringently. We are tracking all the loose ends and the loopholes that the Mumbai police has forgotten to. Here we show you now someone extremely important in the case, Rajat Mewati, I beg your pardon. He spoke with Republic TV in a shocking revelation. He's also come out and he has said he has been directed not to speak. He spoke to our senior news associate editor Shravan Sen. Listen in to what he said.
Hello? Hello?
हेलो
Am I speaking to Rajat?
हाँ
रजत, मैं श्रावण बात कर रहा हूँ. हेलो
कहाँ से?
रजत, मैं श्रावण बात कर रहा हूँ. मैं रिपब्लिक से बात कर रहा था. हेलो,
न्यूज रिपोर्टर.
मैं रिपब्लिक से बात कर रहा था. रजत, आपसे थोड़ी एक थोड़ी बातचीत करनी थी, थोड़ी जानकारी चाहिए थी. अगर आप 2 मिनट फ्री हैं तो थोड़ा बात कर सकते हैं आपसे.
किस बारे में?
रजत, आप ये सुशांत के पेमेंट्स हैंडल करते थे ना 2019 पे.
सॉरी सर, वो सब मैं फोन पे बात नहीं कर सकता एंड सॉरी उस बारे में मुझे कोई बात नहीं करनी है.
मैं आपको आके मिल सकता हूँ फेस टू फेस?
नहीं सर जी, फिलहाल अभी मुझे डायरेक्ट जो काम करे वही ज्यादा बेटर है ना.
नहीं, मुझे
ये सब
नहीं, वो तो मुझे पता है कि आपको किसी ने मना किया है बात करने के लिए. हेलो हेलो
हेलो
Am I speaking to Rajat?
हाँ
रजत, मैं श्रावण बात कर रहा हूँ. हेलो
कहाँ से?
रजत, मैं श्रावण बात कर रहा हूँ. मैं रिपब्लिक से बात कर रहा था. हेलो,
न्यूज रिपोर्टर.
मैं रिपब्लिक से बात कर रहा था. रजत, आपसे थोड़ी एक थोड़ी बातचीत करनी थी, थोड़ी जानकारी चाहिए थी. अगर आप 2 मिनट फ्री हैं तो थोड़ा बात कर सकते हैं आपसे.
किस बारे में?
रजत, आप ये सुशांत के पेमेंट्स हैंडल करते थे ना 2019 पे.
सॉरी सर, वो सब मैं फोन पे बात नहीं कर सकता एंड सॉरी उस बारे में मुझे कोई बात नहीं करनी है.
मैं आपको आके मिल सकता हूँ फेस टू फेस?
नहीं सर जी, फिलहाल अभी मुझे डायरेक्ट जो काम करे वही ज्यादा बेटर है ना.
नहीं, मुझे
ये सब
नहीं, वो तो मुझे पता है कि आपको किसी ने मना किया है बात करने के लिए. हेलो हेलो
हेलो
Am I speaking to Rajat?
हाँ
रजत, मैं श्रावण बात कर रहा हूँ. हेलो
कहाँ से?
रजत, मैं श्रावण बात कर रहा हूँ. मैं रिपब्लिक से बात कर रहा था. हेलो
न्यूज रिपोर्टर.
मैं रिपब्लिक से बात कर रहा था. रजत, आपसे थोड़ी एक थोड़ी बातचीत करनी थी, थोड़ी जानकारी चाहिए थी. अगर आप 2 मिनट फ्री हैं तो थोड़ा बात कर सकते हैं आपसे.
किस बारे में?
रजत, आप ये सुशांत के पेमेंट्स हैंडल करते थे ना 2019 पे.
सॉरी सर, वो सब मैं फोन पे बात नहीं कर सकता एंड सॉरी उस बारे में मुझे कोई बात नहीं करनी है.
मैं आपको आके मिल सकता हूँ फेस टू फेस?
नहीं सर जी, फिलहाल अभी मुझे डायरेक्ट जो काम करे वही ज्यादा बेटर है ना.
नहीं, मुझे
ये सब
नहीं, वो तो मुझे पता है कि आपको किसी ने मना किया है बात करने के लिए.
Let me also now go across to our senior associate editor Shravan Sen, who's been heading this particular investigation for us. Shravan, so clearly when you tried to speak to Rajat Mewati, the accountant, he said he's been directed by someone not to speak. What are you picking up? You've been speaking to everyone in this case, whether it was people at the party, whether it's trying to connect the dots. What are you picking up from your sources, Shravan?
Well, Rhythm, there is one common thread, and that common thread is the fact that almost everyone, there appears at this point in time that there have been some sort of a pressure that has been put on especially key characters in this entire Rajat Mewati becomes so very important as far as this investigation goes, at least for the Enforcement Directorate. Rajat Mewati is an accountant who used to work with Sushant Singh Rajput, especially in the year 2019. Now, that was the year when a lot of changes were taking place as far as staff members of Sushant Singh Rajput is concerned.
Almost members, especially those agencies who were providing the staff to Sushant Singh Rajput's household, they've agreed that it was Rajat Mewati who used to sign all the documents. In fact, he, along with Siddharth Pitani, they were aware of what was actually happening, what sort of transactions were actually taking place. Now, for the Enforcement Directorate, it's going to be important to, find out all those characters who had an idea of the kind of transactions that were taking place in that very household itself. They're talking about the salary disbursement, because the salary disbursement was being done by Rajat himself. And not just that, also with regards to the companies in which Sushant Singh Rajput has been a director, along with Riya Chakravarti and her brother Shouvik Chakravarti. Somewhere down the line, the Enforcement Directorate suspects that Rajat Mewati perhaps had an idea of all the transactions that were taking place, and on whose behest were these decisions that were being taking place. And that's the reason why Rajat Mewati was being questioned by the Enforcement Directorate. Even before he appeared before the Enforcement Directorate, the Public Media Network actually got in touch with Rajat Mewati, trying to find out whether at all he had any idea as to what was happening within that particular household, whether he was aware who was taking those decisions or not. And as you heard it, he categorically made a mention of the fact that there was some sort of a pressure, or there was a direction that was given to him not to speak to the media. Even when I tried urging him that whether at all he would like to meet us face to face, Rajat Mewati categorically denied he did not want to meet us. And initially, perhaps just to simply go by the conversation we had, perhaps he was in two minds. He wanted to speak and thereafter remembered of the kind of instructions that were given to him, that he perhaps is not in a position to speak to the media. So clearly, with almost every character that we are trying to get in touch to try and find out more, almost everyone has to say the same thing, that we cannot talk. There is no permission. The fact of the matter is, who has to give permission in this particular case?
Actually, and Shravan, I just wanted to ask you a question, because you've been at the forefront of many investigative stories, and you are actually telling us that several witnesses here seem to have been coached. Someone seems to have influenced them. This is also something that is there in the written submission by the family that's now present before the top court, that even when it was Riya Chakrabarti, it seems when she was examined, she got 4 days time to even influence witnesses and even destroy evidence. It's one of the allegations that has been made by the family. Shravan, I want to ask you, not only Rajat Mewati, whom you've now tracked, it's a super exclusive that's now playing on Republic TV, but also the other people you've been in touch with. What are you picking up? Because now the ED is very close. The ED is also now coming to know through our sources, asking the Mumbai police for help. We're coming to know there were servers, and now the configuration does not match with the emails.
Well, Rhythm, over the last few weeks, we have seen several inconsistencies in the investigation that has been carried out by the Mumbai police. Now, talking specifically about the late actor's mobile phones, in fact, Rhythm, I've picked up from my sources here in Mumbai that his mobile phone was sent to the forensics department almost 24 days after the incident took place. Now, this was basically sent to the forensic department for mirroring the data that is available in the late actor's mobile phone. In fact, somewhere down the line, an objection was also raised as to why there was a delay in sending Sushant Singh Rajput's mobile phone to the forensics department. That is question number one. Question number two, with regards to the way the Mumbai police is trying to block this entire investigation. First, it was Bihar police. That was on the pretext that they do not have the jurisdiction. So that on that pretext, they blocked the Bihar police. But today, when they are not responding to the two letters that have been written by the Enforcement Directorate to Mumbai police, asking them to share the details of the statements that have been recorded so far and the digital evidence, there too we are looking at the Enforcement Directorate being blocked. But here the question is, on what basis is Mumbai police blocking Enforcement Directorate? Because they are, after all, a central agency, a federal agency, which is essentially carrying out their duties after a PMLA case has already been registered. And there is no question of jurisdiction when it comes to the Enforcement Directorate, unlike the Bihar police. So this entire argument is fraught with inconsistencies in the way
That's
they
right.
have been they've been putting across that here there is no question of jurisdiction. So why aren't you responding to what the Enforcement Directorate is saying?
Absolutely, and I just want to tell our viewers that our senior associate editor Shravan Sen has spoken here to Rajat Mewati, the accountant, and he's told ED, and this also Shravan is giving us this information that he was the person who was very aware of the servants and how they were being changed in Sushant Singh Rajput's residence. He was witness to the contracts that were being signed. Company payments were being made through him. So a very crucial person who's now being probed by the ED. Once again, before we come back to Shravan, viewers, we just want to play out that interaction that Shravan tried and attempted to speak with Rajat Mewati, a Republic super exclusive. Take a look.
Hello? Hello?
हेलो
Am I speaking to Rajat?
हाँ
रजत, मैं श्रावण बात कर रहा हूँ. हेलो
कहाँ से?
रजत, मैं श्रावण बात कर रहा हूँ. मैं रिपब्लिक से बात कर रहा था. हेलो,
न्यूज रिपोर्टर.
मैं रिपब्लिक से बात कर रहा था. रजत, आपसे थोड़ी थोड़ी बातचीत करनी थी, थोड़ी जानकारी चाहिए थी. अगर आप 2 मिनट फ्री हैं तो थोड़ा बात कर सकते हैं आपसे.
किस बारे में?
रजत, आप ये सुशांत के पेमेंट्स हैंडल करते थे ना 2019 पे.
सॉरी सर, वो सब मैं फोन पे बात नहीं कर सकता एंड उस बारे में मुझे कोई बात नहीं करनी है.
मैं आपको आके मिल सकता हूँ फेस टू फेस?
नहीं सर जी, फिलहाल अभी मुझे डायरेक्ट जो काम चले वही ज्यादा बेटर है ना.
नहीं, मुझे
ये सब
नहीं, वो तो मुझे पता है कि आपको किसी ने मना किया है बात करने के लिए.